we for a long time, over 30 years, we have viewed HIV and AIDS as a sexual moral issue, forgetting that it's also a social issue, economic issue, political issue.
That admission from religious leaders in Kenya could be the first of new steps towards getting to zero, as is the theme of this year's World AIDS Day being marked tomorrow. The world aiming at zero new infections, zero AIDS-related deaths and zero discrimination. Religious leaders in Kenya who for years have been advocating for abstinence, being faithful and using condoms only in a marriage setting are now admitting that change of approach is necessary if zero is to be achieved.
If we keep on concentrating with MBC, then there comes a question of this child who is born HIV positive. When did the child contract the virus? Could the child have abstained on being faithful, or could the child have used a condom?
The church and the general religious community commit themselves to embrace an integrated approach whereby we look at science as playing a part, likewise religion as playing a part, not just to talk about healing, but also to transform our perception of HIV and AIDS, and therefore how we approach it.
The leaders committing themselves to engage in a proactive approach to curb negative perceptions and stereotypes that have developed over the years.
Of late, people have not been very strong in matters of HIV and AIDS. Perhaps when we hear that the percentage has gone down, we become also complacency.
UNESCO, on the other hand, in conjunction with the Kenyan government, are expected to formulate a HIV and AIDS training curriculum to be incorporated in different levels of the education sector.
The fact that the knowledge levels on the prevention among young people in the country remains low is a clear sign for us to focus more of our efforts to address how best we can ensure that young people are well equipped with comprehensive information.
The curriculum will be locally organized to provide professional training courses in HIV and AIDS prevention education for students and educators. Esther Kahumbi, KTN Prime.